Hello everyone, my name is Tanmay and in today's video I will be showing you how to download and install Unix operating system on Windows 11. So first of all open your favorite browser and in that firstly we will download VirtualBox. So we'll click here VirtualBox download and after that we will select the first link out here, downloads Oracle VM VirtualBox, and here we will click on this Windows hosts. Now, as you can see, the downloading has just begun. I will just cancel it because I have already downloaded it. So, firstly, we have downloaded the VirtualBox, and after that, what we will do is we will open our new tab and we will type AT&T System 5 Unix download. We will select the first link here, and after that, we will click on this particular link. Now here we will select the server 2. So now as you can see the installation has just begun. So once it is done, we will click on this. Okay, now we will go to the folder wherein we have installed that particular archive file, and here what we will do is we will extract all the uh, files here. We will click on this folder, and as you can see there are a number of disk image files which are there in this particular folder. Now what we will do is we will open our virtual box, and inside that we will click on here new, and here we will provide the name of our virtual machine as Unix, and in the type uh, entry we will select IBM OS 2, and we will click on next, and here memory size I will keep it as 32. I will select next. uh, Here I will keep everything as it is, and I will click on create. Here also I will click on next. Now here I will select this fixed sized option, and I will create click on next. Now here uh, select the size of the virtual hard disk. So I will be selecting the size of this virtual hard disk to be 500 MB. So um, let me edit. 500 MB would be fine, and then I will click on create. Okay, so now as you can see, the Unix virtual machine has been there on our virtual box. So now what we will do is we will configure a few settings. So firstly for that we will click on the settings icon here, and firstly we will select this setting, and here we will select this, we will check this network, and after that we will disable audio and USB, both of them, and after that we will keep other settings as default, and we will go to storage here, and we will click on empty, and here we will select choose a disk file option, and now the files which we have extracted from that archive file, uh, we will locate that first of all, and we will select this particular base 012.1 a file, and then we will click on OK. And after that, what we will do is we will start this. So I will cancel this particular thing. Okay, now here it is saying that please insert the Unix system. Like we have to basically insert the floppy disk too, and then we have to strike enter. Now, before that, let me change its view to scaled mode. Cancel that. Uh, yes. Now it. Okay. Now, what I will do is now what we have to do is we have to click on the settings, and we'll look at storage, and here we'll click on here, and then choose a disk file, and then we will select this base 02, and we will click on OK, and then we'll open our this window, and we will press enter. I will click on enter here. Now it is saying that a new installation of the Unix system will destroy all the files current. Basically, I will keep things as it is. I will click on Y option here, and then I will press enter. Again, I will press enter. So it is saying that to partition your disk differently, we will type n, and uh, if uh, I mean, please type y to partition your disk differently and type n. So this I will again click on y. So now here it is saying that please type y to partition your disk differently, type n and f disk. I will type y here, and I will press enter. Now again I will press enter for the default type, that is UFS. And now it is asking that do you wish to create any optional disk slices. I will basically type here as n, and here is this correct? I will type on y. Again I will type on enter. Now here it is um, here it is asking that is this configuration acceptable. I will click on y. Now as you can see, Unix system will now be installed on your hard disk, and now it is saying that reboot the system now. So now what I will do is I will minimize this window. Okay, now what we will do is uh, now we will remove the floppy disk first of all. So for that we will go to settings, uh, storage, base 2, and we will remove disk from virtual device, and then we'll click on OK. And after that we will reboot or reset the system. We'll click on show. We will again reset. And we will click on show. Now it is asking to press either F or C. C for if you want to install from cartridge strip, and F if you want to install from floppy diskette. I will click on F and I will press enter. Now it is asking that we have to insert floppy disk 3 of 10, then we have to strike enter. So what I will do is I will minimize it. I will click on settings, storage. I'll select this. I'll click on disk, choose a disk file, and I will select this third base file. And I will click on OK, and then I will open this again, and then I will strike on enter. Now we have to insert floppy disk number 4. So again we have to repeat the same steps. Firstly we have to go to settings, then storage, then we have to select this floppy disk, choose a disk file, and we have to select this base file 04, and then we have to click on OK, and then again we have to go to this window and we have to strike enter. Now we have to insert floppy disk 5. So again we will repeat the same thing. Settings, storage, choose a disk file, and fifth file we have to select, then we have to click on OK. After that we will click on enter. Now for sixth file again, now for floppy disk 7, storage, again we are going to click here, Click on OK and open the same window and press enter. For 8 again, storage base 07, choose a disk file, 8, open, OK, press enter. For 9 as well, settings, storage base 08, choose a disk file, base 9, open, OK, we have to strike enter. Now again, final disk, which is floppy disk 10. Again, we have to go to settings, storage base 09, choose a disk file, base 10, open, OK, enter. Now we'll wait for some time. Now here we have to enter a password for the root or super user. So I will enter it. And after that I will press enter. So I will re-enter the password. Now after that we have to enter a password for the install user. And finally we have to enter a password for the service user. Now here it is saying that we have to enter the system name, for which I will give my name, and after that I will press enter. Now here it is saying that we have to reboot the system now. So I will minimize this window. So now what we will do is, before rebooting, we will remove the floppy disk from the virtual drive. So for that, go to settings, storage, base 10, and we will remove this particular disk from virtual disk and we'll click on OK. And what we will do is, we will reboot. We'll click on reset. And then we will click on show, and here it is saying that we have to uh, provide console login. So I will put root, and I will type in the password for the root. I will enter it. Now after entering, it is saying that your password has expired and choose a new one. So I will select another password. and we have to re-enter the new password. So now Unix system is installed. Uh, so now we can verify this by typing in some Unix command. So I will uh, type in one command, clear. I'll click on enter. And now as you can see, the screen has been cleared. So now I will type in another command, that is ls. So as you can see, some directories and files have been listed up. So now what I will do is we will install some additional packages into it. So for that uh, I will open the archive file, like the files from the archive, and here there is a file which is called readme. I will open it through the notepad, and I will just copy this particular command, pkg, or what I will do is I will place this side by side. I will side by side now, and I will type in the command. So now I will type in this particular command here, pk gadd hyphen d diskette 1, and I will press enter. Now it is saying that insert diskette into floppy drive 1. So before so now what we will do is, firstly let me minimize this and this as well. I will click on settings. I will click on storage, and here I will click on this empty, and I will choose a new disk file, and from here I will load the maintenance one file from it, and I will click on OK, and after that I will open the this particular window, and I will type in go, and I will press enter. Now it is saying that do you want to like for other packages also you want to repeat the same procedure. For that I will for that I will type in all, and I will press enter. Now it is saying that it is processing the package and all. Now it is saying that we have to insert the diskette 2. So for that I will again minimize this particular window. I will go to settings, storage, maintenance, choose a disk file, and I will select the maintenance to file. Here it is, and I will click on OK, and then I will again open the console, this particular, and I will type in go. I will wait for some time. Now again I will press enter. Now here it is requesting to add few other packages as well, but I think for now I will quit from it. So I will press Q, enter. Now we have successfully installed Unix on our virtual box, and also we have added a few additional packages as well to it. Now uh, I will write this particular command, shutdown -y, this particular command to shut down this particular thing. Shutdown -y. fng 0, enter. So now uh, the process of shutdown has been initiated, and it will uh, now as you can see, the system is down, and you can reboot the system now. So uh, thanks for watching the video. As we have successfully installed Unix on our VirtualBox. So thank you.